This is the first time that we'd dried this boat out, so at high tide we went against the harbour wall. The fenders were tied end to end to cover the area smoothly that they were to protect. We had a knife on deck, just in case we had to cut any lines quickly whilst the tide was falling. It's important to keep the boat close into the wall as the tide falls. Once the keel touches the bottom, there's no time to adjust. Mooring lines were fastened to the outside cleats at the bow and the stern, and then taken ashore to bollards. A shackle and rope sliding on a shroud also helped to keep the boat angled towards the quay. The halyards were used to maintain the angle, and by tensioning the lines, they angled the boat towards the wall. As the tide fell, the bow and the stern lines were adjusted, and when she sat on her keel, she was nicely against the wall, and we could get her cleaned up.